Hello there. In this video, I will explain to you what is golden cross in crypto trading or Bitcoin trading. There are two price movements that are tracked in golden cross. As you can see, there are two lines going. One is black line and one is blue line. Now, blue line is a short-term price movement and the black line is long term. As you can see, the blue line is 50 days and the black line is 200 days. What this really means is people who are serious traders or people who are regular traders, they track a lot of different price patterns or price movements, and this helps them understand whether the price is going down or whether the price will go up. Now, in golden cross, these are the two lines that they focus on. Okay, so basically the short term versus long term. In both of these lines, the average price is taken out. Okay, and when short term average price crosses the long term average price, this means that it's a golden cross event. As you can see, this is blue line is crossing the black line and going up, and when this happens, this normally means it's a bullish event, meaning the price of the asset going up. And this is when traders, for example, when they see that blue line going up, and the black line is going straight, and so they notice this and they see that golden cross event is going to happen. They open their positions, and when that event happens, normally, because when that event happens, normally it means that the price will go up, so they open their positions, and when the price does go up, they make profit. So this is called golden cross. Basically, in a very simple terms, when short term average price crosses the long term average price, then this is called golden cross event. Now, normally this does mean that price of an asset, whether you are following Bitcoin or XRP or Ethereum or any other token or any other coin, when you see this event happening, this normally means that the price is bullish and the price will go up, and then you can take your position. Now, this is not guaranteed. I want to tell you this clearly here, that nothing is guaranteed, and it is not 100% guaranteed that this even the price, short term price, crosses the long term average price, it will definitely keep going up. Anything can happen anytime, so you have to make due diligence, and before you make any decision, make sure you have done your maximum research, and then you make any decision, because like I said, in the end there are no guarantees, so you have to be very careful with every decision that you make. So this is it, friend, everyone. This is what a golden cross really means: moving, tracking short-term price and tracking the long-term price, and when the average price of short-term crosses the long-term average price, that is called golden cross. As you can see here, if I show you down here, probably you can see short-term price crosses is called golden cross. Here it happens, here, then it happens here again. One color line crosses the other color line, and as you can see that when this happens, price goes up. When this happens here, price goes up, and this is what golden cross event is. Once again, it is not guaranteed, but that is how everyone reads it and understands. Hope this video is useful for you. If you like, follow my channel for more informative and educational videos like this. And for now, thank you very much for watching.